Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Apple Pay and that iOS is up to date. This avoids later errors. Next, open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. You can scan the card or enter details manually. When prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so the card links securely to your device. Once added, make sure the card shows as active in Wallet and set the default card if you plan to use it most often. Once the bank verifies your card, which may require an SMS code or in-app confirmation, your card becomes fully usable. You should then open Settings, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and pick a default card so transactions use it automatically. If you rely on transit, enable Express Transit for faster taps, and configure double-click side or home for quick access. These settings streamline payments. They also let you control receipts, billing addresses, and contact info. To complete a payment, hold your iPhone near the terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Wait for the subtle vibration and checkmark. Afterward, review the transaction in Wallet and your bank app for the receipt and balance impact. If a payment is declined, first ensure NFC and network are active, then retry. If it still fails, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank. A common quick fix is restarting the iPhone, which often restores required services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.